I'm Randall Cote. This is my SEMA 2019 truck build. It's a 2018 Chevy Silverado 3500. It's always just been a bucket list to have something that's attended SEMA. So I had the opportunity to do it this year with partnering with RBP in the Builders Challenge. So I took it and I jumped on it and went from there. This is my second year attending. Last year was just as a spectator, so after seeing that I definitely wanted to jump into the game. So I went with the white and blue just because nobody else has this color. It's actually a 3M wrap color that I had the paint matched to. There is no color code for the paint, so I had it specially made and matched. So that's why I chose that color. For me, I went with the RBP 4-link rear kit just because I will use this truck for hauling. Going with the coilover or a leaf and block system, it just wasn't functional for me, so this truck will be used for work, and I use the parts that will make it a good work truck. SEMA 2019 was awesome for me. Having a truck in the show itself really connects you with the other guys around. You get to talk about your truck, talk about theirs, parts that they might want you to run in the future, meeting with other suppliers and manufacturers, and it was nice. The easiest way to follow this build is go to my Instagram page. It's Randall_Cote. You'll see the build process right from start to where we are now, and then there'll be a lot more future stuff to come in the next year with this truck as well.